Hey everyone, today we're going to be creating this push button circuit. So we have an LED, a resistor, and a push button. When you push the button, the LED lights up, right? So that's the goal. Alright, let's start making the circuit. So I'm going to minimize this a little bit. And then we're going to look at our circuit here. We have a breadboard, 9 volt, push button, resistor, somewhere between 350 and 1000 ohms, and an LED. Okay, let's put the LED on first. The LED has a positive side, negative side, right? The positive side is the bent side or the longer side, called the anode. Shorter side is called the cathode. Then we're going to hook a resistor up to the negative side of the LED. And we're going to run that resistor into ground here. So let's take a wire and run it into ground. And we're going to color our negative wires black. And then we're going to take a wire from this whole bar is linked together here. There's a metal bar underneath this whole row here, and that metal bar links it all together. So this is connected through here, and then this whole thing's connected. So we're going to run that into the negative terminal. And then we're going to take our push button. Let's add it to this. And we're going to hook up our positive wire to the one side of the push button. We'll do this side, and we're going to say that's red. And then the power flows up to the push button, right? And when you push down on it, that's when it makes the connection from the right side here to the left side. So when you push down, it connects this side, which is going to flow to the positive side of the LED and light the LED up. So we'll connect it there. And I guess it doesn't matter what wire we use here, we'll use red. So power flows through the 9 volt up to the push button. When you push down on it, then the current can flow through, and it goes through this wire over to the LED, up through the resistor, down to the negative, and then into the negative terminal of the battery. And let's make this black yet. And then that should work, right? So that's what we have above my head there. And I'm going to run start simulation to make sure it works. And when I push the button, LED lights up, right? So that's it for this project. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.